Once, very long ago, I was free to roam and howl. The world was big and wide. There was room enough for both wolf and man. Sometimes our paths crossed. We would join our packs to hunt together. Some of us became man's friend. But I stayed in the wild, at the edge of the light. Over time, I became the symbol of what man couldn't tame. In their minds, they made me a monster. Something to be feared. Something to be destroyed. My howl was silenced. When we are missing, mountains are trampled. Rivers lose their way. Balance is lost. When we are allowed to roam, the land rebounds. Balance is restored. It's time for man to stop fearing us and embrace the wild. Join the pack and help us howl again.